Alright guys, so today's video is about the Oraimo Powerbox 500. This is the 50,000 mAh power bank from Oraimo Smart Accessories, and it comes with the Anifast technology. That means you can use it to charge anything that you have around you, like your gadgets, and it's going to give them the adequate amount of charges without ruining them. So this is the latest one. As you can see by the side here, it has the authentication center and the Anifast technology details and every other thing, like the 365 days warranty. By the other side is just the picture once again, and on the left hand side you are going to see charge your device up to 10 times, see 5 amp fast charging, big digital display, 4 output ports, Type-C output in and out, and lead touch. So that's basically what you are going to see at the body of this power bank. So up here is just a sticker from the company, and that is pretty much it. So let's unbox it. In case you want to get this guy right now, you can get it for 36,500 naira from Oraimo eShop website. When I got mine, I got it for 34,000 naira thereabouts. So you can use the discount code shown right on your screen to get it at a cheaper price. All right, so let's unbox this generator. So I think opening it is from this side. Wow. So as you can see, it comes with this pack. So we are going to open it from the other side. A lot of packing here. Nice one, Oraimo. So we have this. Wow, this is the product itself, and the last thing here is just the manual and the packing. Here is the manual and the power bank itself. Okay, the other thing you are going to see here is the Type-C short cable. Okay, and here is the power bank. Wow. So this is how it looks like with this handle to hold it in case you want to carry it around. And there is a warning here, or a warm tip. It says fast charge feature requires charger and charging cable that are 9 volts 2 amps or higher. We recommend fully charging your power bank for the first time use in order to correct the battery level display. So first thing is to charge it up before the first time use. I've always said that. And also get an Oraimo cable to charge it up. I recommend you get an original Oraimo fast charging cable and adapter so that it can charge this Oraimo power bank faster and last you on the long run. So let's quickly check out the body before I round up this video. So here is the on button. So you can see the on button here. Let me remove this sticker. Place it by the side. I like the feeling of this power bank. It's a bit heavy actually. So when you press the on button, you are going to see this LED light come up. As you can see, it's showing the battery percent. It's come in at 70%, and we have these ports here, these two Anifast ports, the output 2, output 3, and we have one here. We have an input here and another input here. This is a micro USB input, and this is Type-C input. Okay, that is 5 ports total, and we are going to press hold this to show the LED. That is orange. If you press hold it once again, it go off. Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to charge it up and tell you guys what you are going to get from this guy. So underneath it, we have these suckers, or you have these holders, as you can see, and it looks nice. We have the power bank informations here in case you want to go through that. So that is pretty much it on our power bank. I can't use it to charge something right now. I just have to charge it up, and I'm going to tell you a lot about it in the review video. Remember to get a cable from Oraimo and an adapter from Oraimo to charge this guy up. Okay, you can use the discount code on the screen right now to get your own from Oraimo at a cheaper price, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.